Hi, my name is Karan Modi, and my student number is 1011938808. And for the final project, I've basically made a YouTube, no, sorry, a music discovery app. Yeah, my bad. In which users can log into their users first time users basically have to register, and then they can log in and create their own personalized playlist, search for music. And one cool feature that I liked about my project is like when they search for music and when the results are displayed, uh, along with the name of the song and the artist and all that stuff, there is a window in which you can preview the song, like you can listen to a snippet of the song. And yeah, that's it. For this for my app, I've used Express, which is which is shout out to Express, without which I couldn't have done anything. Uh, I've used Sequelize. Basically, what Sequelize is that it's it's an object relational mapping, which means like, okay, let's say I have a database right now. So one option, like if I hadn't used Sequelize, is like I had to go to, like, every time use the registers and all that stuff. The ID and password is saved, and I have to go and manually change the database, right? But using Sequelize, everything happens within the server. I mean, like, it happens dynamically. The database is changed, and like, a user is added, removed, etc., etc. Everything is done dynamically. Also, you can use Sequelize with other databases as well, like MariaDB, Postgres. I'm not sure about MongoDB, but yeah. Another thing, Axios is for what? Oh, it's for API, yeah. Express Session. Oh, this is a new thing. This is actually pretty cool. Express Session is basically a middleware for Express that enables session management. Like, it stores the session data on the server side, and it helps in identifying returning users. Also, to the person who's testing my code, make sure this key, like, of course you won't change it, but make sure it doesn't get changed, but because if it gets changed, I'm pretty sure the code won't work. Like, the server will be still running, but the data, nothing will happen in the database. So right now I've deleted the database file, and let's start from scratch. So for the first time I run the server, a new database will be created, like this. And let's check if the database has been created. Like, you can technically see over here that the database is created, but let's run SQL and just check the tables. SQLite DB tables. As you can see, there are three columns. I mean three tables. Let's check if there's anything in the users, which won't be here. So nothing is right. Nothing is there right now in the database. Now let's go to the local host. I think it's localhost, right? Yeah, localhost 3000. Localhost 3000. Okay, now this is also a cool feature. In the README text file, I've added I've included the admin username and password credentials. Like, if you log in with those credentials, you can actually see the users and their passwords. So for the username, it's just admin, and for the password, it's winter2024. And as you can see, as like, we haven't really registered anyone right now, right? So no users found. Let's go ahead and register a user, Karan, and the password is 1234. Now let's check the admin page as well. Winter2024, and as you can see, our user has been registered. Now let's log in as the user, Karan1234. Okay, so, man, yeah, this is the dashboard. Like, this is the main page after you log in, actually. So here you have an option of searching for music, and right now, as we haven't created any playlist till now, so there nothing is being displayed. Let's go ahead and search for a song. Yeah, so this is the preview button I was talking about, preview window basically. Like, I don't know if you can hear it. in the recording, but if you hit the play button, yeah, you can listen to the song, and that works for everything. Yeah. Now let's see. I don't have a playlist right now, so none of the playlists are displayed in the drop down, but I do have an option of creating a new playlist. And let's name the playlist as a dot, okay? Now add to playlist. I get redirected to the dashboard. Like I take the dashboard route and I get redirected to dashboard. Now as you can see, a new playlist has been created. Let's see if the song is there. Oh yeah, so the song is over here, and we can actually manually check the database as well to see if everything is working properly. So select from users. As you can see, Karan, the username, the password, this is the ID, this is the date and time when the user was created, and this is the date and time when the user was, like, anything is updated basically. I don't know why this I've included this thing for, but it's okay. Now let's check the playlist as well, like playlists. Okay, as you can see, a new playlist has been made. Now let's go to the website again. Let's try to add another song, okay? So let's say hi. Let's add the song to the same playlist, add to the playlist. As you can see, both the songs have been displayed properly, like it is actually being stored in the on the database. Now let's go ahead and delete the song. Wow. Yeah. And let's delete the whole playlist altogether. We can do that as well, yeah. Do you want to delete this playlist? Yeah. Okay. So, and you can sign out as well, yeah. Basically, you'll get, and after signing out, the user is still in the database, you can see. Now, let's go ahead and register another user. Let's try to register another user with the same username and password. Karan1234. And as you can see, registration has failed because the username is already taken. So, the base case is being handled. Now, let's log in with a unique username. Let's go Eva. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Register. Now let's check the admin thing that the user has been successfully registered. And as you can see, both the users are here. Now let's log in as Eva 5678. Oh, 567. I don't know what the password was. Let's check the password. What? Winter 2024. What the hell? Just give me one sec. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, correct. ADMIN Winter 2024. Oh yeah, sorry. My caps lock was on. My bad. So yeah, that's it. 5678, right? Okay. Let's try to log in. Eva 5678. Now this is the dashboard for Eva. It's the same actually. Now let's add another song to a new playlist. Let's name it as dot. Actually, it's fine. Just name it as blank. That should be. Oh, I can't name it as blank. My bad. New playlist. The song is over here. Now let's try to make another. Should I? Should I? Should I? Actually, it's fine. I covered it in the previous user thing. Let's delete the playlist. Now let's sign out. Now let's try to delete the whole user itself from the database. The admin has that functionality as well that you can delete the whole user, Winter 2024. And as you can see, yep. And if let's try to check if the user has been successfully deleted. Yeah, as you can see, no one is here. Now let's try to delete the user, and let's try to log in with the same credentials that the deleted user has to check the base case if I'm being able to log in again. And as you can see, nope, because when we check the database from user, it's empty. So the admin actually can delete the whole user. So that's it. Basically, this is my handlebar codes. Uh, this is the main dashboard code. I'm using a document object model here for just wait, what am I using this for? Oh yeah, for the delete button, yeah, for the delete buttons. And here for this part, actually it's fine. So when we select the create new playlist from the drop down menu, when we search for a song, this function is invoked, which basically displays a new text field. And whatever I write in the text field, whatever playlist I create, Sequelize captures that playlist name and it adds to the database dynamically. So yeah, these are the handlebar files. The code shouldn't be difficult to go through. This is the admin view handlebar. This is the main. Yeah. So one thing is for the client side JavaScript, I didn't use any client side JavaScript basically because I'm doing everything like everything from the server is going straight to the handlebars, right? I've just used one function here on the main JS. Basically, this is just for the animation. So um, let me just register a user quickly. Let me add another. Okay, so basically that function is being used just to give a smoother animation effect. Like when I delete, as you can see, the song isn't like it disappears gradually. I don't know how to explain it properly, but like look, yeah. So that's the only functionality that the main JS has right now. And style CSS. Oh yeah, this this background color I actually got it from a website and I've included the website name in the readme text file so I don't get plagiarized for some reasons. And this is everything is good, everything is good. Mm-hmm. Yep, so that should be it. Is there anything else I should cover? Mm, nope, that should be it. Yep. So thank you so much, and I hope you don't find any bugs in my code. I'm just joking. You won't find anything. And let's close this over. Yeah. All right. Have a good day.